Hello and good day. So in this video, I'm going to be going over if HelloFresh can actually last more than a week. So here in my account, I have been on HelloFresh since about March, so a couple months now, well over half a year. And so what matters more is what ingredients are within your HelloFresh recipe. So for example, a lot of the recipes have like green onions in them. And so therefore green onions, they usually don't last more than a week, but the overall general recipe itself, like the pasta, the one pan black bean pepper quesadillas, pasta, chicken fingers, if it's not vegetables, it will probably last more than a week. The one thing that I usually tend to see kind of spoil faster are green onions. And a lot of the time, there are green onions included within the recipe. So the good thing is that with green onions, it's in its own packaging. So if it does spoil, you can just throw away the green onions. And then in this penne rustica with a kick, for example, it's just gonna be the penne without the green onions. Or it's going to be the creamy garlic spinach without the green onions. And even so, you can just buy green onions yourself at your local grocery store and add it if you want. Green onions, they're more so like the garnish being added to all these dishes. But I'd say more than often, I do have HelloFresh bags that are like 2, sometimes even going on 3 weeks old. Like pasta will last a very long time itself, but it's more so the vegetables. Like maybe the tomato will only last about 10 days. Maybe the green pepper in your one pan black bean pepper quesadillas will only last about 10 days. But it still tastes really good, I must admit. Like even now I have like 3 bags of HelloFresh that are about going on day 8. I get my deliveries on Sundays and today's already Monday, so we're going on day 8, and I'm pretty sure it'll still taste really good. And so I've been doing this for some time now. If you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below to get a free box. But even so, don't be worried, just because with HelloFresh, it still does taste pretty fresh even after a week. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.